Greenply Industries Limited has been raising the bar for competitors and pioneering innovation for over 3 decades through cutting-edge manufacturing technologies and processes. All new Gold 2.0, a product that is a marvel of advanced manufacturing process, engineered with 100% composed core and panels that is stitched precisely in an automated machine and pasted with hot melt glue on the edges of every core panel to obtain a full 8x4 core panel sheet. The plywood thus forged comes with unparalleled protection against extreme water damage, rendering it with superior fire-safe property, has reinforced structural integrity and produces minimal smoke. Distilled to its purest form, free from toxic emissions, the plywood is adept at keeping your family safe and sound, following the manufacturing and purifying process of gold, making this the real gold of plywoods. Greenply Gold, Sone Jaisa Khara. Greenply, हर जरूरत का रिप्लाई।